Good
Yes.
morning, Nishya.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
So, Nishya, I have got certain questions for you for this podcast, and these are very interesting questions.
Okay, sir.
These are the questions which we have often in our mind. When I used to be a student, so I had same question. So when I used to be a child, so whenever the match was telecast, so I had a dream that time. I thought that I wish there had been a small TV which I can keep in my bag, which I can use privately. But later mobile came. Now this dream has come true. So today's generation have also got the same questions in their mind. So we are going to explore them one by one. So you are welcome on this podcast.
Yes, sir.
And the first question for you: if you become the principal of your school for one day,
Yes, sir.
what is the first thing you will do?
I would do that. I would try that the students in the school try to get some less burden because there's a lot of burden in the Indian schools as well. Like in Norway, you wouldn't really get any burden.
Okay, so you believe that, so we have got a lot of burden in the schools. So as a principal, you would like to reduce that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think your school bag would say if it could talk to you?
Why there is so many books in me?
Why there are so many books in me?
Because there's a lot of burden.
There is a lot of burden. So there are two kinds of burden.
Yes.
One is mental pressure and second burden is on your shoulders.
Yes, sir.
But don't you find that everybody has to go through the same journey? Let me explain you. If you go to England, if you go to America, so you find that Indian doctors are rewarded over there. In England, Indian doctors are very famous because we are tough. We have been trained to work in the tough circumstances.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't you find that all these things are making tough?
But you could just take a laptop and do stuff on that. That would be just less heavier as well. I think.
Well done. So he's in favor of laptop, means there should be a laptop because it can carry millions of books together. Well answered, beta. What is your favorite excuse when you forget your homework?
मेरा भाई भूल गया.
Okay. Once again, would you like to tell us?
I forgot my homework.
You have forgotten your homework,
That's
but
very
teacher will scold you.
Of course, yes.
Of course, yes. So I think you should go for the better excuse. I think you should go for the better excuse, sir. If your classroom turns into a jungle, which animal would you like be and why?
A panda.
A panda.
Yes.
You would like to be. Why?
It is cuddly.
It is?
Cuddly.
Okay. So, what would happen if your teacher suddenly started flying in the class?
I would run out of the class.
You would run out of
It
the
would
class.
be a good excuse. How would I learn? My teacher is flying.
Your teacher is flying. Very good answer. If you were allowed to ban one subject forever, which one would it be and why?
The school that you go to in your second language or your third language. Like I think they're like for no reason. You have to study them.
Okay, so you would like to say means either second language or the third language you would
Yes.
like to ban because there is no use of that.
Yes, sir.
But don't you find that India is a country where people go abroad for better opportunities? For example, you know Italy, you know France. Suppose you are a mechanical engineer, you have done your BTech, and you
Yes, sir.
have got one more skill that is French or any other language. So don't you find that you can better survive over there?
No, but like in school, they don't teach you like how to really talk in French. They'll just say, learn this exercise, learn that grammar. They won't really tell you how to talk. You could just, when you get older, you can just take a course.
Okay, well done. He has raised a very good point. In the schools, you are taught the language like a subject. I think it should be taught as a language. It means spoken activity should be there so
Yes, sir.
that they can be utilized in the life.
Like
Very
this, like this.
well. If you
Like
had
this.
to rename your school, what funny name would you give it?
जहाँ पर लोगों को डिप्रेशन मिलता है.
Okay, so you believe that means the people are given depression over there.
It is funny, that's why.
It is funny, okay, there is no problem. So you can You can go for it, but it is negative one, and we are not going to tell them what is the name of your school, please. Okay, it is one of the reputed school. After that, इनका विश्वास उड़ जाएगा. Okay. So now we are going to talk about next. If lunch break lasted for 2 hours, what would you do with that extra time?
If I was like there was some homework due, I would do that. Or unless I'm totally free, I'll just play with my friends or like talk to my friends.
Okay, you will talk to your friends. You have got 2 hours.
Yes, if the school let me go outside, then I'll just play games outside as well. That will just cut the time. Like I'll pass through the time.
Okay. If you find a time machine in your school bag, which moment your life will you go back to?
Any good experience that I've had, like I went on a hike to the mountain or to the water park. Any good experience, I would say.
Any good experience of your life? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell us particular experience, any interesting, exciting experience you would like to go back?
The day when I went to a hike with my school, it was fun, and we found like something. We've also found like some barrels of oil there. We were just digging there because we had no things to do. So that was also a shocking moment for me.
Okay, well done. If your pencil box become a superhero, what powers would it have?
Infinite knowledge, so it could just write for me.
Okay, infinite knowledge so that it can guide you.
Yes.
Imagine your notebook starts giving you answer. What is the first thing you will ask it?
What happens after death? I want to know.
Okay, what happens after 10th you want to know? 11?
After death, after death.
After that you want to know.
Yes, nobody knows that.
Bhoot bante hain. Now we are going to talk about, yes, it is really a very interesting question, means what happens after death. Okay, these are very deep questions, okay. If you had a magic wand, magic stick in school, how would you use it during exams?
I would use it to stop time if I could, or I would try it to say, I would try to use it as so it could help me in the exam, like any way it could help me in the exam as well.
How much percentage would you like to have with the help of that magic wand?
50? 50?
50%.
Yes.
Okay, why 50%? You have got opportunity getting 100%. Why 50% only?
Because I want to try on my own, like in some subjects I really excel, so I want to excel in those subjects by my own. Like in subjects like my second language, I'll just use the wand because I don't really care about them.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
Does games count?
No.
Then maths,
Maths is your favorite subject. Can you tell us why maths?
because I just love solving equations. You don't really have to write that much, and it's all about your brain.
Well done. What is something you do secretly in your class that no one knows about?
Fidgeting, like I'll just fidget with my pencil or my pen or my bottle, anything like that.
Has it become your habit?
Yes,
It has become your habit.
in boring lectures. Yes.
In boring lectures. Okay, I used to teach. Were they boring lectures?
No, sir, no.
Okay, good. You are a good student. Okay. What is one rule at home or school you really want to change? Your mother will watch the video.
Yes. Let me think. I think I need some time for this.
Okay, there is no problem. I understand diplomatic, you have to be some time. Okay. If you could create your own festival, what would it be called and how would people celebrate it? You have got a great opportunity. You are allowed to create your own festival.
The name of the festival would be hanging out with your family, and just people would just go have fun with their family, because I think in the modern era nobody really cares about their hangs out with their family, talk to their family, and that's why want to make this festival a thing to come through.
Well done. It is really a very good answer. My second last question for you. If your school bag could talk, okay?
Yes.
If your school bag could talk, what do you think it would say?
I think you've already asked this question.
No, once again, you
Once
can
again.
reply this.
Um, I don't really know. Like that was the only thing I can.
Okay, the last question, what is your biggest fear during the exams?
Pressure, like when the time is running out and I've still left some a more question to do, I get panicked a little bit that I'm gonna run out of time. That's my biggest fear.
Okay, timing,
Yes, sir.
the timing finds you, you find timings very constant in the exam and they make you puzzled.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for this podcast. Put your hands together.